Alright, good evening everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 box break site. This evening, breaking box of 11-12 Crown Royale. This was a buy it now that went up late last night. And last dual pairing sold this morning. So we'll just quickly go through the teams here. So Anaheim, DJ and Ella's Mommy. Boston, Linda Scout. Crow grabbed the Buffalo Sabres. Peanut, Calgary. Elk Killer, Carolina. Peanut, Chicago. Tom, Columbus. DJ and Ella's Mommy, Colorado. Peanut, Dallas and Detroit. Elk Killer, Edmonton. Linda Scout, Florida. Aaron has LA and Montreal. Elk Killer, Minnie and Nashville. Aaron also has New Jersey, the Islanders, the Rangers, and the Senators. CM Punk, Phoenix. Elk Killer, Philly. CM Punk, Pittsburgh. Aaron also has St. Louis and the Sharks. Tom, Tampa Bay. Aaron, Toronto. Elk Killer, Vancouver. Aaron, Washington. And Crow, the Winnipeg Jets. So Aaron, you picked up quite a few pairings in this one. So our box, as stated in the description, 99177-618. So we're breaking this live on Blog TV. Alright guys, good luck. So we'll have one bonus after we open the box, and that's taking out our chip. We'll take 3 chips from this buy it now for bonus box break number 9. That will be the final 3 spots. So I will randomize the teams this evening, as well as the participants, and I'll post that in the forum. So make sure to check that out. Got our checklist. 4 packs. Box is empty. Alright, pack number 1 in this buy it now break of Crown Royale. So we start the Sidney Crosby base. Stastny base. Not a bad start for the New York Rangers. And Aaron. Autograph. Henrik Lundqvist. Card is numbered 94 of 99. Not a bad card. Spacer. Lords of the NHL, Anze Kopitar. And that is also going Aaron's way. Those are not numbered. And we've got a base for the LA Kings of Drew Doughty. Pack number 2. We start with another Sidney Crosby base. Another Stastny base. And for the Winnipeg Jets, rookie auto, Carl Klingberg. And that is going Crowalicious. Going Keith's way. Klingberg rookie auto. Spacer. For the Montreal Canadiens, and Aaron once again, rookie Brendan Nash. And we've got a Brad Richards base. Pack number 3. David Desharnais base. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Calder Collection and Philadelphia 4570 Elk Killer, Sean Couturier. Ooh, it's a nice patch here. for the Dallas Stars. And Peanut. Nice 3-colored patch. All the King's Men. Jamie Benn. Jamie Benn. Nice 3-color patch. Couple nice seams on there. So congrats to Peanut. And card is numbered 21 of 25. Yeah, we got a base Bernie Pearl. And a base Thomas Vokoun. Pack number 4. Taylor Hall, base. Pecorine, base. Red parallel for the New York Islanders and DJ and L's mommy. So Aaron once again. We got John Tavares. And base Mikhail Grabovski. Once again, that was our base of Pecorine. And our final card from this break going to Linda Scout and the Boston Bruins, Lords of the NHL, Tim Thomas. And there's just a little nick at the bottom of that, Linda. Bottom of the card. So that is our break, guys. Not a bad patch in the Lundqvist auto. So we got our bucket of poker chips, so we'll choose our three chips for this break. Those 3 individuals will have the final 3 spots in bonus box break number 9, which is this box of SP Authentic. So this evening I will randomize all 30 spots, all 30 teams, post it in the forum. And you guys will have a few days to make trades before we open. Alright, so let's choose our 3 spots from this Buy It Now break. First spot will go to the owner of the Florida Panthers. Florida is Linda Scout. So congrats, Linda. You have spot number 28 in bonus box break number 9. Spot number 29. Spot number 29 going to the owner of the Minnesota Wild. Minnesota, 4570 Elk Killer. So Justin. And our 30th spot and final spot for bonus box break number 9 and SP Authentic will go to the owner of the Winnipeg Jets and Crow-alicious. So Crow, 30th and final spot in bonus box break number 9. So make sure to check out the forum later this evening. I will random the 30 teams and 30 participants, and feel free to make trades. Alright guys, so that's our Buy It Now break of Crown Royal. Hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to check out some more great breaks coming up. Thank you and enjoy your evening.